Diabetes Meal Planning for Beginners. Eating out with diabetes. 5 tips for healthy choices. Are you a beginner struggling with diabetes while eating out? This is perhaps one of the most difficult challenges to overcome. Don't worry, we've got your back. In this final video in our 5-part series, we'll share 5 essential tips to help you make healthy choices when dining out with diabetes. 1. Plan ahead. Check the restaurant's menu online and choose diabetic-friendly options before arriving. 2. Control portions. Ask for smaller portions or share a meal with a friend to manage your carbohydrate intake. 3. Opt for grilled or steamed. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed dishes instead of fried or breaded options. 4. Be mindful of sauces and dressings. Ask for sauces and dressings on the side to control added sugars and fats. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink water or unsweetened beverages to avoid hidden sugars in sodas or sweetened drinks. With these 5 tips, you can navigate dining out with diabetes and make healthier choices. Remember, it's all about planning, portion control, and being mindful of your food choices. Enjoy dining out while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. We hope you enjoyed the 5-part series about kickstarting your meal planning with diabetes. Look for more suggestions and tips in the future. So that you don't miss any guidance and support, subscribe to our channel.